So, in your TEDx talk, you share your experience with channeling. What was the most surprising or profound moment in your channeling journey?
Oh, well, let me tell you the most surprising moment in my TEDx journey.
Yes, absolutely. Tell me. I'm excited.
Yeah, this is a story. So I had, as is my type A personality, and I would venture to say perhaps you can connect to that as well.
Eh.
I had over prepared, I'd really prepared for my TEDx talk. There was no way I was going to forget a line or
Right,
be looked at as like, oh, she's not ready for this. So I'd rehearsed and rehearsed and rehearsed, and I knew my talk backwards and forwards. The day before we actually had the event, I was laying on my patio meditating, and I heard my spirit guides say to me, "You're going to make that one mistake that you are most afraid of making." And to me, that meant I was going to forget my speech.
right, absolutely.
And I said, "Oh, hell no,
Don't know what
there's
you're
no
talking about.
yeah, I'm not going, that's not going to happen
Right.
because I have rehearsed." So then I got up, I got really panicked. I got up, I rehearsed some more. I was like, nope, I know it, I know it, I
Right,
know.
right, right.
So the next day, I go to the event, and I was one of the earlier segments of speakers, and people were backstage pacing and practicing their
Right.
talks. And I knew my talk so well that I thought if I practice it more, I might jinx myself.
Yeah.
Um, so I checked in with my guides and I said, should I pace and practice too, like all these other people are? And they said, it's not going to matter.
Whoa,
I
excuse
know.
me. Excuse me. Whoa, excuse me.
I know. So I started to really wonder what's going to happen here because
Right,
I have been preparing for this for months. We just
right.
re, you know. So my turn comes, and I should preface this with saying there's a part of my talk in which I speak about that best friend I just told you, the
Yes.
one who first taught me how to channel. She had just been diagnosed with glioblastoma,
Oh,
which, as you know, is a very fatal brain cancer.
right.
She had just started her, I think she'd had surgery. So she was wearing a headscarf. She was in the audience. She was there, regardless of what she was going through medically and
Oh, I have
physically.
chills.
Yes, she
Oh,
showed up for me.
I love
She's like, I am
that.
not missing this. So she's in the audience at the TED Talk. And at the moment in my speech where I talk about her,
Yeah.
I blanked.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. I understand now, of course, that makes sense. It's highly
Yes.
emotional, and I had found her in the audience and
Right.
saw her face beaming at
Yes.
me, and we were making eye contact. But I blanked. And lucky for me, there's a guy who sits in the front row with all of our scripts, and so
Yes.
if you freeze, he can read you whisper your next line. But that's what happened. The thing that I most feared happening happened. I forgot a line. I
Yeah.
needed the help. It disrupted the flow of
Right.
my
Absolutely. Yeah.
talk. It
Yeah.
was like, to me, it was horrible. And it took me a long time to get over that.
Hmm.
But now I'm so grateful for that whole mistake. And also I'm grateful that my guides told me that was going to happen,
Yes.
because it's nice to have a heads up that you're going to trip, on something. And
Right.
after the talk, because of course I recovered, I got the line and I made it through the rest of the
Of
speech.
course.
And people, it just lent itself to people being able to connect even more.
Absolutely.
My humanity and my vulnerability were right there at the surface, and people had a lot of compassion for that.
I love that. I love that. And it's good that you can look back on it and say, no, that was a good moment. It probably also sank you deeper into trusting your guides, your intuitive abilities and everything. Like, yeah, yeah, you're full of it. No, they weren't.
Yeah, they they were right. And I lived through, like it
Right.
was the worst case scenario, and oh well, so it already happened. So now I
Right.
can keep going. Yeah.
Absolutely.